Just like in math, when you're sending in a job application, you can get extra credit for showing your work. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let's take a look at my resume. There's one part of it that I'm listing an item where I worked on a specific program called PTech that I happen to have an article that I was quoted in talking about it. Now, this was an article that was just in a local newsletter through one of the BOCES schools that I was working with. So it's not anything that was in a major news outlet, but it's still something that's great to share because it gives an extensive discussion of this project, something that I couldn't possibly fit into a resume. Other great things that you might be able to share, things like PowerPoint presentations, or even like a video that you've done a discussion on something for. So how do you do it? Well, first thing that you can do is go into your Google Drive and you go to the little hamburger menu at the top right of your email and click Drive. Then create yourself a new folder and just call it, sharing. Create. Let's go and open up our sharing folder. And now I want to upload something to it. So if you just right click, upload file. Now this is sitting right on my desktop, PTech story. Upload finished. Real quick. Now right click on it. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to share. And you want to just make sure that the settings are set up so that anybody can see it. So only people added can get to this link. That's okay. Go ahead and copy the link. And now go back to your resume. Now remember before how we showed how to do hyperlinks, and if you haven't seen that, go to the hyperlink video. I'll show you again though. Highlight a portion of the text. Now right click and go to link. Just do a Control V, or you can right click and do paste. And it's going to show up as the hyperlink. When you hover the cursor over, you'll see the link. You can do a quick Control and click to test it out. And here it goes, opening up that story online. So now anybody that gets your resume is going to be able to be routed to this type of content that you can use to showcase your capabilities, your insights, your connection to community, whatever it might be. It's just a great tool to add in more content that you're not necessarily going to be able to add into a resume because it would make it too long. So go and toss some things onto your Google Drive, and then based upon what you apply to, add a few of these show your work examples to your resume or cover letter.